I'm so excited to talk to you today about something very important, something that can open many doors for you in life. We're going to talk about learning English. Now, you may already know a little bit of English, or maybe you're just starting. But wherever you are in your journey, remember this. Learning English is not just about studying a new language. It's about opening a world of possibilities. English is one of the most important languages in the world today. Why is that? Well, let me give you a few reasons. First, English is spoken in so many countries. You can travel to different parts of the world, from the United States to the United Kingdom, Australia to Canada, and even in many countries where English is not the first language, you'll still find people who can speak it. Imagine that. Wherever you go, knowing English will help you communicate with others, whether it's at the airport, in a hotel, or even while making new friends from different cultures. But English isn't only important when you travel. Think about the workplace. Today, many companies, whether big or small, are looking for people who can speak English. Why? Because English is the language of international business. If you want to work for a company that deals with people from different countries, or if you want to study abroad, English is the key. It helps you understand others and share your ideas clearly. Maybe you're dreaming of studying in an English-speaking country, or you want to take an online course from a university far away. English makes that possible too. Many of the best courses, especially those online, are in English. And once you understand English, you can learn anything else more easily, from technology to science, from art to history. So much knowledge is shared in English. But let's not forget about the fun part. English is also the language of entertainment. Do you love watching movies? Think about all the amazing movies made in Hollywood. When you learn English, you can watch them without needing subtitles, or maybe you enjoy listening to music. So many popular songs are in English, and understanding the lyrics makes the music even more special. It's like opening up a new level of enjoyment, even video games, books, TV shows, and social media. There's so much more to explore when you know English. So, you see, my dear students, learning English can truly change your life. It helps you connect with people, understand new things, and enjoy the world in a different way. Whether you want to travel, get a great job, or simply watch your favorite TV show without subtitles, English will help you do all of that and more. Now, you might be wondering, how can I get better at English? It seems so difficult. Don't worry. I'm here to help you with that. Today, we're going to talk about some easy ways to learn and improve your English step by step. No matter where you are in your learning, you can improve every day if you follow the right steps. In the next part of this journey, I'll share with you some simple tips that will make learning English easier and more fun. So, are you ready to start? Let's begin this wonderful journey together. And remember, learning a language is like planting a tree. It takes time to grow, but with care and attention, it becomes strong and beautiful. Chapter 2: Easy Ways to Learn English. Now that you know why learning English is so important, it's time to dive into something even more exciting. How you can start learning and improving every single day. Don't feel overwhelmed. Remember, learning English doesn't have to be hard. You just need to follow some simple tips and practice regularly. Let's start with the first step. Listen as much as you can. Yes, Listening is one of the most effective ways to learn a language. Watch English movies, listen to English songs, or even tune into podcasts made for English learners. The key is to hear the words, phrases, and sentences over and over again. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's okay. Just focus on how the words sound and try to guess their meanings. Over time, your ears will get used to the language. Now, here's the and. Second tip, add. Read every day. Start small. Pick something simple, like a children's book, short stories, or even captions on social media. Reading helps you learn new words, understand sentence structures, and improve your vocabulary. And here's a secret. When you read, try to say the sentences out loud. This way, you'll improve your pronunciation too. The third tip is a little challenging but very important. Speak without fear. I know. You might be thinking, what if I make mistakes? What if someone laughs at me? Let me tell you something. Mistakes are good. Yes, you heard me. Mistakes help you learn. The more you practice speaking, the better you'll become. So find a friend, a teacher, or even talk to yourself in the mirror. Just start speaking. Now let's move to the fourth tip. Use technology to your advantage. There are so many amazing apps, websites, and videos designed to help you learn English. You can take lessons online, watch videos with subtitles, or even play language learning games. Make English learning fun. The more you enjoy it, the faster you'll improve. Finally, here's the fifth tip. Be consistent. Learning a language isn't something you do for one day and stop. It's like watering a plant. You need to do a little bit every day. Just 20 or 30 minutes is enough. Create a routine. Maybe you listen to an English podcast in the morning, read a short story in the afternoon, and practice speaking in the evening. Small, regular efforts will bring big results. And most importantly, don't give up. Learning English is a journey. It's okay to feel frustrated sometimes, but remember this. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, brings you closer to your goal. So, my dear students, are you ready to take these steps? Trust yourself. You can do it. In the next chapter, we'll talk about some specific exercises and activities that will boost your English skills even more. But for now, practice these 5 tips and watch your confidence grow. Here is the final chapter with enhanced punctuation for natural pauses, stress, and emotion. Last chapter. The journey ahead. So, my dear students, we've come to the end of our discussion today, but it's only the beginning of your journey. Learning English is not just about memorizing words or studying grammar. It's about discovering a new way to connect with the world. Imagine this, a future where you confidently express your thoughts, make new friends from different cultures, and achieve your dreams, one step at a time. Doesn't that sound exciting? But remember, learning any new skill takes time, patience, and effort. There will be days when you feel stuck, when it feels like progress is too slow. But don't give up. Each word you learn, every sentence you speak, brings you closer to your goal. The key is consistency. Practice a little every day. Whether it's speaking to yourself in the mirror, watching a short English video, or writing your thoughts in a journal. Every small effort counts. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. Mistakes are your stepping stones to success. They show that you're trying, growing, and moving forward. Think of this as planting a seed. At first it seems small, almost invisible, but with care, dedication, and time, it grows into a strong, beautiful tree. That's your English learning journey. So, are you ready to take the next step? Are you ready to open the doors to new opportunities, exciting adventures, and a brighter future? I believe in you. Let's make this journey fun, memorable, and rewarding. Together, we can achieve anything. Stay curious, stay dedicated, and always remember, every word you learn is a step toward success. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired and motivated you to take your English learning to the next level. Remember, learning English is a journey. Every step you take brings you closer to fluency. If you found this content helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Pro English Skills for more amazing videos. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.